This video shows you how to install the L-TWOO chain. Determine the ideal chain length. Double chainring system. Put the chain on the largest sprocket and chainring. For a proper fit, leave 2-3 extra chain links when joining the ends. The last link at both ends should be narrow. Mark where to cut. Single chainring system. Install the chain on the largest sprocket and chainring. For a proper fit, leave 4-5 extra chain links when connecting the ends. The last link at both ends should be narrow. Mark the cutting point. Double check the length before cutting since it's irreversible. Use a chain tool to cut the chain at the marked position. Shift the front derailleur to the smallest chainring and the rear derailleur to the smallest cog. Install the chain. Some chainrings and guide wheels have a design where wide teeth match the wide outer links and narrow teeth match the narrow inner links. Install them so they fit properly. Run the chain through the front and rear derailleurs. Making sure it passes through the chain retention plate and follows the tooth link match. Attach the chain hook to the chain, connect the ends, install the master link. And use master link pliers to tighten it. You'll hear a click when it locks. Installation is done. Thank you for watching this guide.